Uh-huh, they were mad at them. Look at their car. Oh, they're running it over again.
Wow.
You want to see that again? He was just a taxi driver. That's freaking hilarious.
Retarded.
Did you see them shooting it?
Mhm.
You want to watch it again?
Yeah. Here it comes. Here it goes, Daddy. Here. It's not ready yet. Here it goes!
Are they shooting the car?
Look, here it goes!
Mhm.
It's going bang!
Yeah.
Here it comes! Here's come down roller! It's going massive.
There comes the roller.
Is that a tank, Dylan?
Yeah. It's mashing that car up. See?
Mhm.
Is that where I'm going, Dylan? Next week?
And you're driving that.
This week. What are you talking
You're
about?
driving
Next week?
that.
Yeah, Monday.
You're driving that big waiter.
No, I don't get to drive that. I get to be in a helicopter, though.
Oh.
Hey, Mom, you gotta come see this.
I'm with your mother on that one.
I showed Dylan.
Look at
I showed.
Mommy.